As you know, or you may know, I've been running training courses from the workshop. And the reason I started doing that is A, I really like teaching people stuff and sharing the skills that we use when we're building these amazing vehicles here. But also I wanted to do training in a different way to the way that colleges and traditional training establishments do it. Normally when you go to a college, there has to be a big class size, 20 or 30 people, to make it work financially for them. Now for me, the business earns the money, the training, that goes on the side of it. So that allows me a lot more flexibility. And one of the key things I want to do is make sure the class sizes are small. I won't teach any more than 6 people at a time. 6. You can get 6 people around a car and everybody's doing something useful. That works. More than that, it doesn't kind of work. You always end up with someone standing around watching, wondering what they should be doing. So that's the maximum I'm using. Not great from a business case, but really good from a learning case. So if you want to learn stuff and get practical skills training, where there's a lot of one-on-one time with the tutor, and you actually get trained the things that you want to learn, the way you want to learn it, then this is the way ahead. So it's quite a unique way of training, and it won't work for other training establishments, and that's fine. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with colleges, they're great, they do a fantastic job, but the way I'm doing it is different. I'm also a lot more flexible because we're working with the Association of Heritage Engineers in terms of certifying the classes. It means I can be really flexible in the way I deliver the course. So if you want to learn basic car maintenance and the car you're really interested in has got some strange features, well, let's discuss that. We'll go through that and work out what you need for your particular car. We can deviate from the original course structure to make it work for you. And that's something that's very difficult to do in a college situation. So hopefully the way we're doing training will be something new, innovative. I hope other people will follow this way. There's some really great workshops all over the country, and some people are great at teaching as well, and if they can jump on board with the Association of Heritage Engineers method, then we can actually get skills spreading out all over the country to make everyone much more capable of looking after and repairing their old vehicles. And the more people that have these skills for repairing and maintaining their vehicles, the more likely these vehicles are going to continue on. And that's got to be good for everyone, isn't it? So in terms of sustainability, reuse, recover, it's a great thing. And also, when you learn practical skills, it's a great feeling of independence and confidence. So it's great for the individuals as well. Have a look at the website. We've got a new company called Motor Skills. So if you look at motor-skills.co.uk, you'll see the courses we currently offer. If you think there's something else you'd like to learn, give us a call and we'll talk to you about it and see if we can get a couple of people together, and then we'll run that special course just for you. If you want a course just for your family or a group of friends, we can do specials as well. Get in touch. Email skills@rhel.co.uk and we'll get back to you. Hopefully we'll see you in the workshop soon.